Welcome to Provider Mistakes, where we fix a Flutter state management issues one clean line at a time. Mistake number 1, putting business logic inside your UI. Here's a bad example. Inside the widget build method, we calculate the total price by looping over items. Looks fine, but now your UI is doing the job of your provider. The problem? Harder to test. UI rebels trigger unnecessary calculation, logic spreads everywhere. So the fix here is just move the calculation into your change notifier, the provider exposed the computed value, and the UI just display it. It's a clean, testable, and reusable. The mistake number 2, using context.read or .watch in initState. It causes runtime errors because the widget tree is not ready yet. You should use widget binding instance at both frame callback or pass dependency within constructor. Not disposing controllers streams. Forgetting to clean up inside dispose when using provider with controllers like text editing controller or stream controller, etc. Calling notify listeners too often. Overusing it after every little change, unnecessary rebuild. Should update multiple fields first, then notify once. Using context.watch in the wrong place, using deeply inside widget where rebuilds are costly. Solution: just use selector or consumer to limit rebuilds. Creating providers in the wrong scope. Declaring change notifier provider inside the widget's build method. Provide gets recreated every rebuild. Should left provider higher in the tree. Not handling null initState. Accessing provider values before initialization, it's a null errors. Should handle loading, empty state probably. Making provider too big, one giant change notifier with all logic, hard to test, hard to maintain. Should break into multiple smaller providers. Muting state without notifier listeners, updating the field but forgetting notify listener UI does not refresh. Mixing listen true imperative code using provider of context list isn't true in callback or methods in unexpected rebuild. You should use listen false or context.read. And not using selector for performance, always using consumer and watch when only small fields changes leads to unnecessary widget rebuilds. And using notifier, change notifier for everything, even for heavy state or complex events. Sometimes better to use future provider, stream provider, or a value notifier. Rebuilding expensive widget unnecessarily, watching a large provider state in the widget that only needs one field. You should split state or you use a selector. Ignore a provider lifecycle, like not understanding when a provider is created or destroyed. That leads to memory leaks or a stale state when navigating. Not testing providers, relying on manual testing only. Providers are testable with a unit test, but many skip this. Follow for more.